Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite and friendly tech YouTuber, Mr. Foro here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen or a screen using OBS. Okay, but before that, I want you to take 1 second to hit on that subscribe button, and also please don't forget to like the video and comment in the comment section. Also, one thing is that please don't forget to share the video with others to help them or bless them as well. Now, we are going to configure some settings, right? One thing we are supposed to understand is you don't just open OBS and start recording. Okay, you don't just do that. So we first have to need to configure some things, right? And the first one is that we need to add a scene to our work or our video or our project. So we first add a scene. And how do we add a scene? We click on this add scene button here, like the plus button here, and then we name our scene, right? Whatever name we want to give it. And then let's just say screen, whatever screen, and you click on OK. But I have main here, I'll be using my main, so I don't need a new screen. So you just do that, and the next thing you do is that you click on we need to add an input or a source, right? So you click on this add source button here, and then you have a lot of things you can add, right? But for the purpose of this course, or for the sake of this course, we are going to add a display capture, and I have added one already. So you just click on display capture, and then you name it. So you can just do display capture, maybe 1 or something, and then you name it. And when you are adding a display capture, okay, don't forget to tick this checkbox here. So this checkbox must be ticked. Okay, so if you don't tick this guy here, then it means when you are moving your cursor, you won't be, so you realize I'm not seeing anything that is happening here, right? So when I click on this guy, and then I click on the next thing I'll do is click on display, and then you select this one here. So look at this. When I check this box, or when I uncheck it and I'm moving the cursor, you don't see it. But when I check it back and then I move the cursor, now you see my cursor. So the next thing, so you just click on OK, and then the next thing we do is that we need to add an audio input also. So is either you use your laptop's audio, or you can just add a new audio input. So this is what I'm going to do. You just do this, and then let's see laptop audio or something, laptop audio. Oh, sorry. So laptop audio, right? And then you hit on OK. So our default device will be our laptop. I'm using my laptop. So basically, so you realize after I used my default, I added a new audio, you realize it was giving us 2 feedbacks because we have 2 audio inputs. So you just have to mute this guy, you get it. And then the next thing we'll do is that so we have added a scene, we have added a scene, we have added a source, which is our input. The next thing we are going to do is to go straight to files here, and then when we are at files, we go to settings, and then on our settings pane, okay, we'll have to first of all we go to video here. When you open video, there are some configurations you need to do. So the first thing is that you need to ensure your base camera resolution, which is 1920 by 1080, must be equal to your output scale resolution. This is because the base camera resolution is just your device screen size. Okay, so that device screen, or your device you are using, the screen must be the same as the output value. So in case, the reason why this is going to be very important is that if, let's say, your laptop is giving us 1920 by 1080, and your output resolution is giving us maybe 1270 by 720 or so, then it means that there's definitely going to be a conflict somewhere, which would maybe lead to blurry text or some other funny text out, like in at your output. And also the next thing you need to configure is to ensure that your common frame per second, which is the FPS value, must be 60. Then when you are done with that, the next settings we do is go to what's it called, the output. Okay, and over here we are focusing on recording. Okay, so first configure this recording settings. So when you come to the recording, you need to ensure that you have your recording path set. So it is it's very important as well. Let's say you record your screen, you are done recording, and then you don't know where your video saves. It's a bit funny to even for things like that to happen to you. So you just need to ensure you click on this browse here, and then it will take you to your file manager. Then you select that particular folder that you want all your recording to appear in, right? You select that, and then you click on OK. When you're done, you click on OK. But before you click on OK, you should ensure that your recording format is also fragmented MP4. Just ensure that this is fragmented MP4. Okay, so you see fragmented MP4, right? The recording in chunks and does not require the same finalization as traditional MP4 files. You get it? So this ensures the file remains, this ensures the file remains playable even writing the disk, even if writing to disk is interrupted, for example as a result of a BSOD or power loss. You get it? So even if there is a power loss, your video will be saved for you if you are using a fragmented MP4. So after you're done, you just hit on OK, and then the next thing we do is that yes, basically I wanted us to check our sound also. So let me show you this sound setting. So to set your sound, okay, let's just, you see this three dots or button dot here, click on it, and then you go to filter. So when you go to filter, you add like a sound or a filter to your sound, just to ensure that the background noise wouldn't distract your main sound. Okay, so you click on add, and then I have added noise suppression, noise gate, and then compressor. And also this should be your settings. So when you go to noise gate, the setting should be minus 57 dB, and then the open, so the close threshold must be that, and then the open threshold must be minus 65.0 0.00, right, dB. Your attack time should be 27 ms. Hold time should be 189 ms. Your release time must be 150 ms, and then your compressor settings must be this also. So you just close it when you're done, and then that will be it for this video. So thank you very much for your time, and if the video helped you or blessed you, if you learned something new, please don't forget to hit on that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, and also don't forget to comment in the comment section. Thank you very much.